Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best remote control bait boat reviews. The MBL and dual battery system 12 volts high power remote control bait boat features a 500 meters control range, 2 kilograms payload for trawl and hooking, and offers 3 adjustable speed modes. Driven by dual 12V batteries for sustained power, it's ideal for precise bait placement in competitive or recreational fishing.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.